View and update your personal information. The Student Center is a self-service page that provides students an entry to Hub. Along with MyUB, it provides navigation to tools and information that are important to you. To reach the Student Center, click the Student Center tab from MyUB. In this tutorial, we will review how to view and update your personal information. The Personal Information group box contains information about you, including your name, your address, phone numbers, and emergency contacts. Let's click on the demographic data link to view information that UB has for you. If you see anything on this page that is incorrect, you should go to the Office of the Registrar's website at registrar.buffalo.edu. Now let's see what addresses are on file. Click the Addresses tab. Oftentimes, administrative offices will need to communicate with you. They will do this via the addresses you have on file. So it's important that you keep all addresses up to date so we can communicate with you. If you look at this address, it is obvious that this student example is not the address they use while they are at UB. This may be the student's permanent address, but not their local address. Let's add a local address. Click Add a New Address. Click in the text box. We'll type the information in for you. Click in the city text box. We'll type the information in for you. Click in the postal text box. We'll type the information in for you. Click in the county text box. We'll type the information in for you. Click OK. There are actually 4 types of addresses that you can have. Permanent address. This address is used by the admissions office to communicate with students via paper. The Office of Student Accounts mails the last bill to this address, as well as sends refunds should the student not have their local or mailing address up to date. Finally, the Registrar's Office will mail university diplomas to this address. You will be able to edit this address, but you won't be able to delete it. Local address. A student's off-campus residence while attending UB does not include their dormitory. Initial refunds will be sent to this address. You will be able to edit this address as well as delete this address. Mailing address. This is where the student's mail is delivered. Refunds will be sent to this address if the student has not updated their local address. You can edit and delete this address. The residence hall address. A student's on-campus residence while attending UB. This field is populated and maintained by the housing office. So, for this case, we'll want to select local. Select local. Click Save. This page shows that your addition of a new address was successful. Click OK. You can now see that the new local address has been added to the list of addresses. Let's walk through these tabs. The next tab is Names. Click on it. This page shows what names the university has on record for you. If you see incorrect information on this page, contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar.buffalo.edu. Let's see our phone numbers and add some new ones. Click on Phone Numbers. Cell phones are common. Let's add a new cell phone number. Click Add a Phone Number. Click the drop-down box. Select Mobile. Click in the text box. We'll type a number in here. Click Preferred. Click Save. You've successfully added your new number. Click OK. Now let's check out the next tab and add an emergency contact. Click Emergency Contacts. Should you ever get injured while here at UB, is there someone you want us to contact? It's always a good idea to set up an emergency contact. Click Add an Emergency Contact. Click in the text box. We'll type a name in for you. Click the drop-down box. Select the relationship this person has. For purposes of this tutorial, select Mother. Select this box if this person has the same address as you, either permanent or local address. Select the drop-down box. You need to select which address. Click Permanent. Let's give this person a phone number. Click Add a Phone Number. Click the drop-down arrow. Select Mobile. Click in the text box. We'll type a number for you. Click Save. You have successfully added your emergency contact phone number. Click OK. I've covered all the personal information pieces that you can update. This completes this tutorial.